Well, folks, figured I'd do another video for you. See if I can take your mind off the obvious crap that's going on lately. But in any event, this antenna switcher I built, what, 4 years ago, maybe? 4 years ago. And I got my ass raked over the coals for it because the way it was built. Oh my god. This switcher is an antenna switcher. Let me say that again. This is an antenna switcher. Just make sure you got that right. Train your mind. Antenna switcher. Antenna. Not transmitter switcher. This is a antenna switcher. Your radio connects here, and your 4 antennas connect here, and you select it with antennas with a rotary switch. Easy. So I got a video request for this antenna switcher from Mr. Andrew, and he wanted me to do up a wiring diagram and instruction for this antenna switcher. Well, basically, the only way, this thing is just, a couple of connectors out of a back of old CB radios. 5 of them using on this one. You can use 3 if you wanted to. Use 4, 5. It all depends on your switch over here. So this particular model, my radio would connect here. Then you'd have antenna 1, antenna 2, antenna 3, and antenna 4. That again, you select in the front switch here. And wiring, I guess a bit of heavy wiring. Yeah, I could use shielding if I wanted to, but it is what it is, boys. It's an antenna switch box. This is a 4-position switch. 4-position. So basically this position right here is the common, and these ones here would be what's actually being switched. So as you rotate the switch, you see a little contact right there? See that little contact right there between the 2 red wires? See that little contact right there? Come back and forth, that's what makes contact to the wires. See? Right here. See it moving? So there's your 4 switches. So, you want a wiring diagram of this antenna switcher. So, I got a book handy here. So we'll do this right basic like. So basically, let's say for argument's sake you have 4 antennas. Alrighty. Say you got 10 meters, 20 meters, 40 meters, and 80 meters. You have 4 of these antennas. You have your little radio here. Put a radio, a couple buttons, a couple knobs. We all like knobs and the buttons. And we'll say 14220. Always gotta have your S meter, Gotta have this meter. And a couple buttons here. Well, anyway, you get the idea. So, we'll just put the antenna connector on the top of the radio. Alright? So, you have 4 antennas. You tune to this, and you're asking yourself, okay, I got 4 antennas. How do I select 4 antennas, or one of these 4 antennas with this radio? Well, easy. You get 4 connectors, PL259 or SO239 connectors. You mount them into a steel box. Right. You mount them just like here, no different. And then you want another connector. And that's where your radio would connect to this connector. Now, so you got 5 SO239 connectors. Okay. So now, what you need a switch, a 4-position switch that can select between the 4 antennas. This antenna connects to this contact, this antenna connects to this contact, this antenna connects to this contact, this antenna connects to this contact. So as you turn your switch, rotate your switch, you're actually selecting your antennas. These little round things here represent the contacts on the switch itself. These things here are the wires. That's the red wires I got in here. So this one here would be a jumper wire. This between the box and the radio would be that. So yeah, basically you'd have your radio again. Just like that, whatever. And you got your connector. Okay. So you'd need a patch cable coming from there. You'd screw that onto your connector on the box as such. And then you got your other 4 connectors, which would then go out to your 4 different antennas. And that there would be coax. 32, 13, 58, whatever the hell you got. And of course you'd have your rotary knob. You'd mark 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course you're on 14,220. That's at 10, 20, 40, and 80 meters. You want 20, so you just put the switch to knob to 2. It's quite that simple. There's nothing to it. You want to switch that, of course, now if you want to run a lot of power, even 100 watts, this switch, no, not 100. 20, 25 watts maybe. That's about all I'd throw through that. But if you want to run 100 watts or better, or obviously you want a really nice hefty switch, ceramic with heavy duty contacts on it. But yeah, let's look back at the antenna switch for Mr. Andrew. Hope it answered a couple questions there for you, Andrew. If you got any other questions, let me know. I'll do what I can to show you. Answer the questions in any way, the best way I can. Here goes 73. and we shall chat later. Trainer 63, out.